Yo, what's up mga Katoy TV Sports? Welcome back to the sa ating channel. Ating pag-usapan na andyan na. Okay, mabilis lang po to at ilang mga pa-shoutout. Okay, so yun na nga po, natalo ang Gilas Pilipinas sa Australia. No? Not the way we wanted yung game to happen. No? Okay, kasi nga po, actually, kung titignan nyo, as I mentioned, kaya naman eh. Kaso anong problema natin dito? Hindi maibaba ng bola na maayos, no? The ball is not distributed very well, no? Tapos yung second chance points po ng Australia. At number 3 po yung setup ng opensa natin. Saan ba papunta ito? We watched this many times in the Barangay Ginebra and the PBA play, no? But this will not definitely work in the international kind of competition. Hindi po. Kahit pa po sabihin na natin, nag-champion tayo against China, natalo natin yung Latvia. We're playing a different team right now without the import. So, we can't rely on low post, one-on-one. Narinig po natin yung commentators, no? What they're telling the viewers is that saan pupunta yung opensa, di ba? Napakabagal po, no? Hawak ng player ng isa. Parang, alam nyo yun, hindi po nag-grow, no, yung ating, what do you call that, yung mga plays natin. So, ito po napansin ko lang, I'm not criticizing, no. This is what I watch, di ba? On the other hand, on the Australia, all they did, mga boss, is absolute, pressure defense, di ba? Full court press. Doon kasi nga po, dalawang bagay ang nagagawa ng full court press. Number 1, napipressure mo yung backcourt. You can, pwede ka makakuha ng turnover doon. At they did that many times, di ba? Then, the second one, kung hindi man makakreate ng turnover, malimit mo or maubos mo yung oras, no, yung shot clock ng Gilas. So, that's what they're doing. No, I do not know what the Gilas is thinking there. Hinahayaan nila yung ball carrier pinipressure nga diba? Doon ako nagugulat, bakit walang immediate na bumababa, no? To help that guard. Tapos si RJ Barrientos naman, alam mo yun, parang nasa PBA na naglalakad pa. May 8-second violation dyan, diba? So, yun parang pansin ko hindi sanay yung ating Gilas sa pressure defense. Pero alam nyo, pagdating po sa laro, tingin ko, kaya makasabay. Yun lang mga bagay na yun. Diba, aking napansin. Tsaka napakabagal po ng pacing natin. I thought we were playing like in the championship. Sa mga player po na napanood ko, si ano lang yung parang nasa championship mode Itong si Phillips, si Dwight Ramos. Diba? Sorry to say this, no. I'm not criticizing Gilas. I'm just, telling you guys what I watched, no. Kung ano yung nakita ko sa laro. Kaya yun, hindi ko na rin tinapos because that will be the same old story, no. Okay, I just want to create this content to you guys because I can't, hindi po ako makakapag-live. Kaya sabi ko, I just better, analyze ko na lang. Anyway, how many minutes na lang naman remaining there is 3 minutes, no? So, yun po, no? Tapos, ito pa po ang masakit Na-rebound mo na yung bola. I-hand off mo na lang sa point guard. Na mo pala. Na-turnover mo pa. I'm talking about the June Magpahado. Diba? It doesn't make sense, no? Turnovers, I do not know if they can't be pressured or what. So I thought, kakayanin nila itong Australia. Pero sa Australia, as I mentioned, no, sa sa last content natin, ganoon lang naman dadaanan nila sa bilis, ball, what do you call that? Ball screen. Diba? 3-point shot. It's the same thing. Yun lang naman diba? Kaya nga sabi ng commentator, parang question nila yung defense natin, diba? So, these are all, na-predict na nga alam na then it's how you're going to defend it, diba? So, that's how it is, no? For the Gilas natin. So, what are the hopes to beat Australia? Well, yun lang, yung mga nabanggit ko, diba? How can you secure the ball on in a pressure situation? How can you distribute it well, di po ba? Are you going to just rely on your point guards to do that job? No, or you're going to do a team, di ba? To help the point guard na makalampas po, no? Di ba? Or makatawid. At di ba? How are you going to set up your plays? Is it gonna be the same? Well, you will be having the same result. So those are the things, no? So yun lang po guys, no? Sa atin, it's a great effort pa rin for the Gilas, but then again, no, we have to say this, all these commentaries, all the things that I watch, no? I have to tell you guys, ayoko man sabihin ito, it sounds like I'm criticizing, but this is how it is, guys. So yun lang po, no? To be honest, I'm not happy with the performance, but we can't, do anything there, no? We still going to support Gilas no matter what, okay? So maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Shoutout po tayo. Alright, dito po kay Ma'am Minerva Nimbang. Good afternoon, Sir Doy TV. Tiwala lang kayang manalo. Okay. Nice support po, no, from Ma'am Minerva. Ganun din po kay West Locapon. Okay, good luck sa ating Gilas. Okay, kay Enrique Rivero, good day. Good luck daw po sa ating Gilas. So it's all good luck, no? Pero dito sa pagkakataong ito, no, yung great looks po kasi sa 3-point shot, hindi natin halos nakita yun, di ba? Sa Australia, they are all well set up. At si Gilas, to be honest, I didn't see any of that, no, na sinet up. Yung talaga pong basta lang, pinrate lang po halos lahat ng plays. Correct me if I'm wrong, no? Baka may na-miss ako sa kakapanood ko kanina, di ba? Pero the way I look Gilas, yung setup 3-point shot like the Australia did, parang wala po ako nakitang ganoon sa Gilas kanina, no? So it's very well orchestrated po ang ginawa ng Australia, how they create those screens, no, to let the shooter open, di ba? Para maka-create ng magandang shot sa 3-point shot. They did it, no, na like unstoppable. Pero sa Gilas, parang it's all, sila lang nagkikreate sa sarili nila, no? Okay, Jonathan De Castro, good day, boss. No, idol, tama, hinala ko first game sa New Zealand na may ininda si Brownie, kaya gano'n. Bro, in other words, parang lang talaga, pinilit lang talaga na ilaro si Brownie. At ito na nga, parang naging worse yung condition niya. We don't know what will happen sa kampanya nito ng Barangay Ginebra if we will going, if we were going to play sa Ginebra, having those injuries. We don't know yet kasi nga po, nakita natin yung time frame ng recovery sa isang injury niya. Ilang injury pinag-usapan doon, ang dami, di po ba? Hindi naman marami, more than one. Tapos, yung isa nga doon, it will take weeks of recovery. So, wala na pong ganyang time frame ang opening ng PBA. Kailan bang maglalaro ng Ginebra? 19th of July. So, are we going to see a new import? Well, wala pa po tayong narinig sa legit sources, no? Okay? So, wala pa pong napag-uusapan ganyan because we're all focused in this game. Actually, hindi lang naman Gilas, pati si Alex, di ba? We are also waiting for the result because I tried to find saan ko mapapanood, no? So, and I will keep watching, no? I will keep on looking where can I find, no, yung available channel to watch that. Kasi dito lang sa Gilas, bus na ako, imagine 3:30 in the morning, di ba? So, yun po. So, yun po ang ating napag-usapan dito, no? Konti lang po pa-shoutout natin, konti lang nanonood about Gilas, no? I don't understand that. Okay, marami po nagko-content ng Gilas, no? Pero alam nyo, nakita ko po puro kabalbalan po ang laman ng ilang mga content. So, bagay, those contents came from anonymous na naman, no? Yung usual, yung sino-sino lang. Content ba naman nila, kay Soto, maglalaro daw ng mga kagaguhan yan. Tapos ano ba mga content nila, puro kalokohan po. Puro to catch the viewers, no? Mga false informations, no? Mga clickbaits. So, tayo kasi straightforward, kung ano yung update talaga, yun lang ating itatalakayin dito. If we have nothing much to talk about, hindi na tayo magko-content. Kaya you see, or you notice, wala po tayong masyadong content about Gilas, no? Because, ayun lang, main thing lang, like Brownlee is not playing. The rest, wala naman pong bago, no? So, yun lang naman po tayo dito. Kung ano lang ang available information, yun lang ang sasabihin ko. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay po kayo, Gilas Pilipinas. We're going to see developments, no? Coming to the next round. Diba, sa August po yan. August na ba? Parang next month lang. Bilis na. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay po kayo dyan sa Pilipinas, no? At mga Pilipinas all over the world. Ano po? Keep safe. Salamat po.
Salamat po sa panonood. Subscribe na para sa mga susunod na basketball at boxing videos.